Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Decarboxylation is the removal of CO2 from a carboxylate salt when heated with soda lime, now H plus CaO. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure of sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate is the sodium salt of salicylic acid, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, i.e., it has a benzene ring with an OH group at the ortho position and a CONA group. Moving on to the next step. Apply the decarboxylation reaction. When a sodium salt of a carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime, the CONA group is removed as Na2CO3 or CO2 is lost, and the carbon attached to CONA is replaced by H. And for the final step, determine the product. Sodium salicylate, sodium 2-hydroxybenzoate, upon decarboxylation loses the CONA group, leaving behind a benzene ring with only the OH substituent, which is phenol. Evaluate other options. A. Salicylic acid. This would be formed by acidification of sodium salicylate, not by decarboxylation with soda lime. C. Benzene. Benzene would be the product if sodium benzoate, no OH group, were decarboxylated. The OH group remains on the ring, giving phenol, not benzene. D. None of these. Incorrect, as phenol is a valid product. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.